Hello everyone! Today we're gonna take you to the nature center. It's called Fullersburg Nature Center. It's in Brook. I'm gonna drop the link and the address down below in our description. And I'm gonna take Jacob and we're gonna see our friends there. So. Alright, bye guys! See you when we get there! Bye! Hi guys, so we just got here. It looks so pretty in here. And Jacob took a little nap. How was your nap, baby?
Good.
Good. Are you ready to explore the place? Let's go. Very hot, but it's okay though. We take this better than cold, right? Information. This is the Fullersburg Woods. Attention anglers. Oh, we can go fishing here too, babe. There's a trail etiquette.
With the water?
Alright, let's go, babe. Hold my hand.
There's a family of geese over there.
This looks pretty, isn't it, baby? Look at babe. I know we're going. Oh, look at the geese! Allah, it's pretty, babe. What do you think? You like?
Go away.
We'll go this way. This is pretty in here, huh?
Well, get scary this way.
What
This way scary.
Scary?
Down here, scary.
Yeah, we're under the bridge. But it's okay though, right?
Yeah.
It's pretty in here. I can see the wall.
See that? Where?
Our friends is right there by the waterfall, they said. Look at Tita Marisa there. Come on. Come on. Come on.
Hey, I'll get away.
No, you go this way. We'll see your friends and then we can put our nice sunscreen on.
You can have spin wheel.
Oh yeah, that's a big spin wheel. What is that, a wheel? Wow, that's a big one, huh? Hi, Tita Marisa.
Hi, Tita Marisa.
You say hello to your friends, babe. Hi.
Did you just walk up, Jacob?
Yeah, he took a little power nap, dude. How are you, Mars?
I'm good.
Long time no see, huh?
Yeah, like
Just like yesterday.
I know. Right?
Oh my God, it's pretty in here. Wow. Wow. Hi guys.
Hi.
It's nice to see you again, everybody.
Hello, Jacob.
Long time no see. It's so pretty. Wow, so pretty in here, guys. What you think, guys? It's pretty, huh? Yeah. Oh, we can go for a nice walk right here. What you got in here? It's a solar powered swimmers. Wow. What are they? Turtles? Oh, what kind of turtle is that? That's a northern map turtle. Spiny soft shell, midland painted turtle,
Guys, you're turning this way.
and a common snapping turtle. So we can see a lot of turtles like that in here. Oh, look at that big tree right there, babe. Wow. Dead. Oh, look at this bridge.
Where you know that small house, Mommy? You must find it here, Mommy.
It's on the other side of the road, baby. Okay. That's a pretty bridge right there, babe. Babe,
What?
you thought Mommy was still there? Okay, let's go. Wow, this is
Let's
pretty
go hide
here.
and seek.
Oh my goodness. This is so pretty here, baby. What you think? Yeah? Wow. Careful. Oh, this is beautiful. So beautiful. What a pretty view. Let's go back to the trail, guys. Wait. Okay.
Mama, you're going to the loopy-loop.
So where are we going now, guys?
My mom is going here. That's a loopy-loop, and that's a going circle.
Oh, loop, loop.
Mama, you're going in a circle. Mama, I don't want to go to the circle.
My, this bridge reminds me of the Philippines.
No. Not the one.
This one looks like in the Philippines, this bridge.
Yeah.
Ah, really? Well,
Bridge
back
like
home
this.
they have like this too.
Yeah.
In the Philippines, diba? Ooh, may sapa diri love. Sapa. What do you call this, babe? Sapa. Okay, let's sit down first. Papahawayan sa inyo na ito sila, babe. Okay, sit down here. Pwede tayo manakop direct uwang, guys. Nice siya, no? No, fishing the river. There's ants in your head. Stand back. Aray. There's a black one. Uy, ang lupad man. It's flying.
Ants can fly.
That wasn't ant. What was that? It flew away.
Only two.
Wala naman mo love ko. Grade 1. I'll let you know.
It's the beginning, Tegan. It's the beginning.
What happened?
It's the beginning.
This is the beginning?
Uh-huh.
That's right. We just walked around the trail. So we just came back from the long trail, babe. What do you think? That was a long walk we had, huh? Yeah. And that was from the beginning, yeah? Yeah. It was pretty. And we were there a while ago, right?
And right down there.
Right down there. That's right. We were there. Now we're going this way. What do you think?
Uh-huh.
Is that okay?
Yeah. But where is my red circle stick?
Let's find it. Stop itching.
I go on top of there.
Want to go on top of there?
Friends, go on top of here. Come on here. Come on here. Come on here.
They're just checking the animals.
Hey, come here! Come here!
Come here, Ate.
Come here, Jojo! I found a way!
Ooh, it's cool in here. Wow, it's a cabin. That's a cabin, babe. Oh, they were building this? Oh, wow.
No, like they were fixing it.
They were fixing this? It's all done now? It's pretty. Really pretty, this cabin. Sure, love.
Get down, man.
Oh, I see a dragonfly, babe. See? What's that? A mosquito?
Come back here. Come back here. We found something. That's a dragonfly.
Oh, yeah.
I think
Okay. It's called the Visitor Center. Thank you. We guys going that way?
to the driveway.
All right. Who won? Jacob won. You're fast, babe. You're fast.
You beat Jacob.
So thank you guys for watching. Will you see people? Thank you. Peace. And lots of love. Lots of love. Lots of love. Bye bye.
Gonna give a heart.
Heart, heart, heart. Lots of love. What about you, Melka? Where's your love?
Subscribe button.